First stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage, 5 layer, that is 9 stage, 10 stage, carbon, plus 6 stages of another water system. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. I'm gonna be changing this for 5 layers. Okay, I'm gonna change this one 5 layers. So 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 layers of filtration. Okay. We're gonna need those or filtration system because of this one. And this is 4 days, and this is 2 days. We are using KN95 face mask, and this is the latest one. This is 4 days right here. See? Okay, 4 days. Okay, so that's it. That is the water from Cagayan de Oro Water District. So very unhealthy. That's why maraming nagkakasakit dito. So yan. Okay, so this is why we need water filtration, and I'm gonna be showing you for the next following video how I would assemble this system. This is separately bought, and this one is another system that is separately bought. It's from Lazada. This system, okay, that one cost 2,781. Okay, that one right there, that is 2,781. If we are going to buy them as a whole, for these 3 only, it would cost you 2,700 only for these 3 casing as a whole, with filter, with fittings, probably less than 3,000. But this one with this unit, everything you see here costs 2,781. Well, this one cost me 1,110, something like that, because of the shipping fee. Okay, so we still have no UV light. I have a UV light, pero it's 60 watt as a bulb, so I'll be using that one. And we don't have softener, water softener, and then we also don't have the membrane for reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis for this type of system cost around 870 something, and probably I'm going to add that one. And the softener is 150 pesos per kilo in Shopee. So over here is 2,781, and the other one is, bought this one 991 plus the shipping, the shipping fee. So total cost is 1,110, something like that. Okay, so why do we need that one? Because of this one here is 4 days, 4 days and 2 days of use. So please follow up this video so you could also have an idea how to assemble your own cheap refilling system with 18 layers of filtration, and we are going to complete this to the 21 layers of filtration with uh, reverse osmosis and softener, water softener. Okay, so please give us a thumbs up, click that like button, and subscribe and follow me with this project. Okay, so from this one we are going to continue on the next video for assembling the system. Okay, so please follow.